back to my channel. This is Pashwika. Welcome to Globo Arte magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video, guys, we're going to be talking about one secret way to make money online, and this secret way to make money online has been started recently only, maybe a few months you can call it, or maybe this month, whatever you can call it, but I'm going to be talking about the secret method in this video. Let's get straight with that and let's talk about it. So before we go, consider clicking the like button, guys. Really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so, you'll be getting notified about it. Also, we have a bunch of the free resources to help you make your print-on-demand journey, your online money making method more easy and simpleable. So the link are in the description box below. Simply head over to globalcreative.com, check out all the freebies that we have. It contains a full commercial license, so you can very well use it. Now let's talk about the secret method. Now this secret method, many of you guys would be knowing about it, maybe not, but let's talk about it. Okay, the secret method is YouTube Shorts. Now before you click out of this video thinking that, oh, it's a YouTube Shorts only, it's not a secret method, I know about it, and all the blah 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 kind of stuff, bear with me for a second, guys. I really want to tell you or talk to you what it is all about and why I'm talking about in this video. Because my channel, I talk mainly about making money as an artist, as a creative entrepreneur, as a print-on-demand seller. I rarely talk about YouTube, why making money as a YouTuber, creator, and all that. So I rarely talk about it. But today, I feel like I really want to talk about this thing for you guys who are looking for making more money online and all that. So before you click out of the video thinking that YouTube Shorts is not monetizable right now and all those things, I'm going to tell you, yesterday only YouTube launched an amazing YouTube Shorts Creator Fund. Although they have announced it a few months back only, I think it was in April or May, but yesterday only they finally said that they are starting with YouTube Shorts Fund starting this month. So what does this actually look like? And I'm going to leave all the links of this YouTube Shorts Fund in the description box below for you guys to check it out. It says that starting this month, they're going to start the YouTube Shorts Fund, and they're going to be giving the creators Shorts Fund ranging from $100 to $10,000 each month. Beginning in the few months earlier, they said that they have $100 million fund for YouTube Shorts creators. So that was in a big question, how they're gonna reward the creators, how they're gonna give them money. They will only be going to give this money to the people who are eligible for the Shorts creators. Now you can read the terms and conditions for the eligibility. So to be eligible for YouTube Creator Fund, you need to be publishing at least one YouTube Shorts that is eligible for that YouTube Shorts Fund in the past 180 days. So that is the first criteria. The second criteria, you need to be in the eligible countries. They have the list of the certain criteria. They have the list of the certain countries. It's not there for the worldwide. The countries are the United States, United Kingdom, the India, Brazil, Nigeria is there, South Africa is there, Japan is there, and I think one or two, three countries more are there. Again, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. You can check it out. Okay, guys, so that is the second thing. The third thing, it should completely follow the rules and guidelines of the YouTube. You can very well read their terms and conditions about what it is, eligibility criteria and all. It should be the original content. That is the number one most important thing. You shouldn't be copying the content from the TikTok, from the Instagram Reels, or from having some kind of company logo or a business logo or something like that. It shouldn't be there. Like many people, the link, because I'm talking about is a fair only. So, and they're gonna reward the creators $100 to $10,000 based on the performance of their shorts in each and every month, how it's performing, and they're gonna see that based on their metrics, performance metrics, and then they're gonna personally email that creator saying that you have earned this much of reward in this particular month, and you can claim your bonus, and you're given some particular amount of time to claim that bonus. And if you aren't able to claim that bonus in that particular time period, then that bonus will going to expire. And so make sure, if you are creating the YouTube Shorts and your content is original and you are there in the eligible countries and all those kind of things, make sure you check out your email, because maybe YouTube can contact you for that YouTube Shorts Fund, and so that you can very well go and claim the bonus within that specified time period. And for that, you need to have an active AdSense account, because that is the thing the YouTube pays the creators, the Google AdSense account. And you need to link your YouTube AdSense account with your YouTube channel to claim that bonus. Now, this is just a rough overview of what the YouTube Shorts Fund look like. It's actually active working for 2021 to 2022. Okay. And the recently, yesterday only, they said all the details about the Shorts Creator Fund, how it actually going to look like, and various things regarding it. And the metrics would be set each and every month. Like, you need to be qualified each and every month to get your fund for that particular month. If you didn't qualify, or if you are not eligible in 1 month, then you may be eligible in the next upcoming month. So that is the thing. Let's see how it works and how it actually going to work and all those kind of stuff. But if you are looking for creating the videos on the YouTube and thinking that you want to create the video, and one thing I've missed, guys, over here, you don't need to be a part of the YouTube partner program to be eligible for the YouTube Shorts. And very well, you guys know about it. YouTube partner program is that you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to be eligible to be YouTube partner program. And for the YouTube Shorts, you don't need to be a part of the YouTube partner program. Okay, even if you're starting right now with the YouTube Shorts, creating your original content, you're getting the views and subscribers, then also you are eligible. So there is no subscriber criteria is there, or there is no such thing as a minimum threshold to actually get that creator. Now, if you love creating videos and if you want to start with a YouTube channel, then you can very well start with the YouTube Shorts, guys. Because for YouTube Partner Program, if you're creating a long form of the videos, you really need to have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours in a 1 year, then only you're qualified for the YouTube Partner Program. Instead, you can actually go with the route of creating the YouTube Shorts and be eligible for that YouTube Shorts fund that they have recently launched. So this is a secret method. Now anyone can do it. Of course, there are the eligible countries, but I feel like most of the countries are not there. Few of the countries are there. Again, you can check it out. But if you are in the eligible country, then very well check out this route. Maybe you become eligible for the YouTube Shorts Creator Program and you can make money. And apart from that, even if you're not in the eligible countries and you're looking for making the money as a YouTube Shorts, then very well you can try with the affiliate marketing, selling your own products via the YouTube channel. You can tell the people to click on the link in the description. You have your products to sell, the affiliate programs, and you can sell the digital products, the physical products. You can sell whatever you want to sell in the Shorts description, and people can click on the link and buy the product from you. So there are so many ways in which you can monetize your YouTube Shorts. It's not just about the Shorts fund only. But yesterday they launched it and I find it quite interesting because there is no minimum eligibility criteria to have 1,000 subs or 4,000 of watch hours or a minimum views or something like that. That's why any creator who are creating the original content and are part of fulfilling all the eligibility criteria can get the money from YouTube Shorts fund. So which is pretty amazing. So are you creating the YouTube Shorts? Do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.